Alright, we're going to install this screen here on this E-Z-GO TXT, and I'll show you how it's done. Little unboxing here. You got your screen. This thing was only like 38 bucks, something like that, 40 bucks. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, waterproof. It's made for motorcycles, but it works really good in golf carts. I'm starting to put them in my other units and rentals, as you can see here. And you can see that it's made for motorcycles because it's got a motorcycle picture up there. This is the mount I always use. I usually drill a hole that lines up with this, and then I put the back of that on there. Let me show you what I mean. So usually what I'll do is I'll take this off. Then if this is the golf cart, I'll put it here, and then I'll mount the other side just like that. And I'll drill a hole here and here, and then that'll line up. This one has a pretty thick spot here, so I think I will just use some self-tappers instead of doing all that, and put it right there. I think I'm going to put it right there with some self-tappers, and that'll be our mount. So here's a self-tapper going in. Nice and tight. This is a really rugged mount there, you can see. And we'll use the included hardware to mount it. Alright, that's it. It's mounted. The screen is here, as you can see. It's nice. I'm going to just run this to the 12 volts. And that's it. It literally took 30 seconds. Alright, it's done. Turns on and off with the key. Now it's hooked up to my Android Auto, and also has Apple Auto, and so you can go ahead and put on music and use your maps as well, or do both. And you can see it plays the music when you hit the button, and pretty easy to install. I just used that mount that it came with. Just positive and negative wires going to where it goes, and it's working with my little sound bar here, and that's it.